Hello, I'm Bart GREENPATH. I'm sitting here in Los Angeles. Until 18 months ago, there was no way I'd get near CBD. But millions of people use CBD every day to relieve stress, anxiety, aches and pains, and more. I wanted to find out if CBD could work for me. First, I tested a variety of commercially available CBDs until I found one that was hemp-based, non-intoxicating, USA, third-party tested. Next, I needed to find an easy and accurate way to measure my doses. All of the available droppers had either no calibration scale or they were calibrated in milliliters, which is totally irrelevant seeing as CBD is measured in milligrams. So I developed my own. Medical grade calibrated in milligrams with a sliding memory band. I didn't want to have to remember my settings. A week later, I had my answer. 12 milligrams twice daily helps relieve my aches and pains, eliminated my sleep issues, and helps relieve the arthritis in my hands. A 1-ounce bottle lasts me about 40 days. So in a sincere hope of helping others, I've put together a starter kit. It contains everything you need for your first CBD experience. 1,000 milligrams of hemp-based USA, organically farmed, third-party tested and certified CBD. The exclusive calibrated dropper with sliding memory band comes with an easy-to-use step-by-step guide, certificate of analysis, and a daily log so you can track your results. Everybody's body is different. GREENPATH is incremental and step-by-step, the trustworthy, hassle-free way to help you find what's right for you. Best of luck in all that you do, and thank you for watching.